is at 9:47 this November 4th,
Yeah,
Saturday
it is
morning.
the
Yeah,
4th.
I always have to stop and think. I'm losing track of the days because it's spinning by so fast. Hard to believe
They
it's
do go
November
by
already.
quickly.
Yeah, they do.
We could get into a whole debate about that. You know,
But we won't.
We won't at all. You know, with winter months coming on, a lot of folks are going to be cleaning out their garages. They can use them for the intended purpose, Jennifer, of putting away a car at night to avoid scraping snow and ice off in the morning. But how easy is it going to be getting that garage door open and closed? Our handyman, Dale Cranston, says it's not a problem if you pay a little attention to the door.
Well, like it says on the maintenance down here, talks about we should be lubing this door every 6 months. And what I use is a regular household oil spray, or WD-40 seems to dry out a little bit quicker, but I like something that's as close to oil as I can, but in a spray. All right? And what we do is we look at all the different moving parts. Now, this is a multi-piece garage door, so there's a lot more moving parts. You got your rollers over here, your chain up here, and all these different moving parts here. So what we're going to do is simply, and it's as simple as this, but people let these things go for a long time. And that's what binds up the garage door and what makes them get old quicker, makes them damage, and makes them squeaky. So what we'll do is we'll just spray each one of these moving parts. And this is a common occurrence, just like you should be cleaning your refrigerator coils every 6 months. These are simple maintenance things that add to the life of your house. There you go. Now what we'll do is we'll open the door and we'll double check ourselves and make sure we got everything oiled up. Now that should make for a longer lasting, quieter, smoother running garage door. And like I say, you can read the little instruction sheet that's usually on every door, but it should be about every 6 months. 6 months to a year, you'll be okay.